Hello everyone. In this video clip, I am going to show you how to solve this progression question. Now, progression question divide into two types. One is the arithmetic progression and another one is the geometric progression. And in this question, we are dealing with geometric progression. And please remember that for geometric progression, the two things which is very important that we need to find will be the first term A and the common ratio R. With these two, we can solve all the questions in geometric progression. Now let's look at the information that we have in this question. It says that the ratio of the fifth term to the third term of a geometric progression is 9:1. So let's put down this information in terms of mathematical symbol. That means we have the fifth term ratio towards the third term. It is 9:1. And the sum of the first five terms, so we have S5 equivalent to 121. And we know that all the terms are positive. If all the terms are positive, that tells us that our R must be positive. Okay, and let's move on to find the first term and the common ratio, which is A and R. Okay, let's start by using the ratio given. Now the ratio can be written in fraction form. So let's write T5 over T3, and T5 is AR to the power of 4. Apply the formula Tn AR to the power n minus 1. This is the formula that we need to apply whenever we deal with geometric progression. And another important formula will be this, A R to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. If that is for R greater than 1. If it is less than 1, then we just swap the position of R with the 1. Okay, so over here, AR to the power 4 over T3 is AR to the power of 2 equals to 9/1. And you notice that we can actually simplify this. Okay, R to the power 4, after we simplify with R to the power 2, left with R squared equals to 9. Therefore, R equals to positive 3. Negative 3, we reject it. Why? Because it says all the terms are positive. So R equals to 3. All right, so we found R. Next, we find A. How do we find A? We can use this S5 equals to 1:1. Okay, let's replace the formula of S5. That will be A. R is 3, so 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 equals to 1:1. So 3 to the power of 5 minus 1, so let's using the calculator. 3 to the power of 5 is 243. 243 minus 1 equals 221. 3 minus 1, we bring it across, times 2. And this one gives us 242. 243 minus 1, isn't it? It gives us 242 as well. So to find A, we just take 242 divided by the 242. We got A1. So we found our A, the first term, and our common ratio, which is R equals to 3. So we have solved part A. So let's look at part B. Part B, we need to find the sum from the sixth term plus all the way until the eighth term. That means T7 plus T8. It's either we use this or there's another way, which is we take the sum of the first 8 terms minus away the sum of the first 5 terms, okay? Because we don't want the T1, T2 all the way until T5. We don't want this part. So we got to cancel this away. This is S5. And it is given in the question itself is 121. So you can choose either you add T6, T7, T8 one by one, or you use the sum of the first n terms to find the answer. Let me prove to you that both are acceptable. Yeah, you get the same answer. So T6 will be AR to the power 5. T7 is AR to the power 6. T8 is AR to the power 7. And let's take out the common terms, which is AR to the power 5. Therefore, the first term left with 1, the second term left with R, the third term left with R squared. And let's put our A and R in. A is 1, R is 3 to the power 5. And 1 plus R is 3. And 3 squared is 9. Therefore, we have 1 times 243 is 243, and then times with 1 plus 3 plus 9, which is 13. Okay, so let's take that and multiply together. We have the answer 3,159. Now, should you use the other method, use this formula, S8 is, according to formula, A is 1, R is 3, N is 8 over here, over 3 minus 1. Okay, minus S5. S5 is given in the question, 121. So let's just minus 121 from here. So 3 to the power of 8 is 6,561 minus 1 over 2 minus 121. So you take that and put into the calculator. Okay, minus 121. You have 3,280 minus 121. So you got 3,159. So you see, both methods give you the same answer. So that's all for this, the solution of this question. If you have any other question, please leave your question at the comment area. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.